Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you what is Git and GitHub. So let's get started. Git and GitHub make an impact not only in the IT industry but also everywhere in this tech, starting from personal small project to open source large communities project. Suppose you are a student, you made one project, let's say in August, and you showed it to your subject teacher. He said it was good, but you need to keep improving it. And you are making step by step, and you showed at the time of November, and he said it was okay. But let's say there are multiple issues at the October position, and this one isn't caught by your subject teacher, but it was caught by your HM, I mean headmaster or principal. So now what do? You will change full page or you will use whitener. It is really paining, right? One more example, let's say you are assigned to one big project where a lot of stuff will be happening. The front end part, how your software looks like, the back end part, how your software will work, and the CLI part, that means command line interface, where it means how you can install the software using your command prompt in Windows operating system and terminal using your Mac and Linux. So for every part of your project, every team member will make different folder and combine them at the last, right? Suppose it's a very large project like millions lines of codes there, and if these files are attached together at the end, if something terrible happens, the software will show an error. At this moment, finding bugs are really challenging. So if we make something like this, we will make it together part by part, store it somewhere, fetch the details from there, and also test it part by part also. It will be good, right? It will help us to reduce bugs in our code. That's where Git and GitHub come into picture. If you want to develop a software related stuff, and if you want to move back and find the changes and what are the posts you made in the previous month, or what are the changes you made in specific branch, what are the posts and branch, we will discuss in this playlist video. And if you and your organization want to make contribution to your organization project, want to see the track changes, also the branch issues, also the features is added, you can see together. Now the first question, who create Git? Linus Torvalds is a creator of Linux who built and developed and released Git in 2005. Just a quick description, what is Git? So Git is a version control system. It helps us to make coding collaboration easy, and it helps us to showcase our work in the online, and it helps to track the changes in our code when we are building the complex softwares. And Git and GitHub makes it easy to contribute to the open source project. In one sentence, we can say Git is a tool that is used to maintain code, and GitHub is a website that helps every developers and every organization to host codes for their projects. I hope this video helps you to learn about what is Git and GitHub. The next video about installation of Git, check the description of this video to find the full playlist of Git and GitHub. If you find difficulties while coding, post your doubts to our Discord channel. We will help you. Check the description to find the link. And if you like this video, please like this video and tell me in the comment section how much you have enjoyed. And if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel. I am Suraj. See you in the next one.